There exists the abxylute S9 Premium Mobile Controller, which is intended to improve mobile gaming. It has been developed with snap, stretch, and play functionalities. Here are some of the key highlights. 1. Snap, stretch, and play. This feature helps the controller to extend. It also embraces several features of the smartphone or tablet. This makes it highly versatile. The next are the key reasons as to which makes it highly versatile. 2. Console-grade controls. It also has a feature support like controller, control, vibration, accelerometer, gyro. This grants the fun of using gaming console in your mobile device. 3. Customizable components. It has 2 sets of D-pad and joystick covers. They are color-coded. This can help you choose the best one depending on your preferred gaming experience. 4. Real vibration feedback. Incorporated motors provide real game vibrations, and this makes the gaming much more realistic. The vibration's amplitude can be controlled in the software version. 5. Wide compatibility. The controller can extend up to 216 millimeters. It can accommodate most smartphones. It can even hold tablets like the new iPad mini. 6. Enhanced gaming software. The controller only works with both iPhone and iPad devices based on iOS and Android operating systems. It provides a catalog of games which are compatible with the system. There are also the control settings you can turn up, down, or even off. 7. Play with your case on. Being a Type-C connector, its extended nature makes sure that it only connects once. It only connects when it is fully plugged in. You do not have to take out your phone cover. Here are some of the pros and cons of the abxylute S9 Premium Mobile Controller. Pros. Improved control. The buttons and analog stick are far much better for control compared to when using touchscreen buttons. Comfort. The straps that come with the watch are adjustable so you can be assured of a comfortable gaming experience. Portability. The design is ergonomic and portable. It can plug onto your phone. It can be unplugged with ease depending on the needs. Compatibility. The abxylute S9 supports many mobile devices and games, which makes it accessible for broad user base. Cons. Price. The abxylute S9 be costlier than other mobile controllers. It is a product in the upper-end gold category. Bulkiness, including the controller on the phone, make it sum up and more inconvenient to carry around. Limited battery life. The built-in battery is usually limited lifespan. They need to be charged regularly. Overall, the abxylute S9 Premium Mobile Controller is a very simple and efficient accessory. It lets you play games on smartphones with physical buttons. Its design is snap-on and stretchable and improves ergonomics, thus making it a product that meets the needs of mobile gamers. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.